Yo, Rafo, ebe din komo. Na pa mi oba ha no a share video no. Na ye din komo ore ase. It's your boy Sabato, the youth for Kenya Japan. Na e ba be din komo. Komo na ebe din na no share. Ore ase. Nti mu mi na wo hwe mi na wa share video no. In terms of mama the for ba ni din komo. Hi Sabato TV na wo hwe Sabato TV. Sabato TV and I will share no. Who subscribe no watch video na ma wunua on YouTube no so what I say. E ba be din komo no pa me chamba pa kan je Japan. Me chia Ghana man pin na na Akufo Addo. Sa so na me chia me papa J abusuafo nyina. Me chia obi biara a wo yi na se. Emu asojafo ni police for me chia obi biara. And then you didn't come on. Sorry, I say. As some na you can for Ubia. It's about everybody in the country. It's about a year for my. It's about Ghana for my. And my way crew, my Ghana. It's about you to share video. No. Na me nua ba bi sun tie me no ma say na me nua brantie bi sun tie me nka. Na what I say, no one say no ma bi ha adwene. Enti ese ye fa ye ho adwen na ye dwene se nipa ye dwene se ele say nipa what dey say ye dwene ko achi daachi bi da ye nim e die ne besi bo daachi no what dey say ene be ka papa J ye ma me ye nua ba wa ba bontin se awe mamba prekope we me ma me prekope ni fie wa ni mu onye small girl 50 something years o so eti ne ho asem ne ye ba be ka no ne ho komo ne ye ba be di na is about what I say o man e free mu no normal way ha adwene normal way koso a nipa bebre na say e ye victim nipa bebre ne wo sa problem no me am no ka say e nyina ye wo sa o ha bi o dey say ntini aba na ye ba be ka sa e bia o dey o fele e bia o dey usuro so ba be ka sa usuro so o be gu hu fie we nya sa gu hu fie o ye ma me no de oye no nwuru mfio e no ma bi e koso e wo kro na efiri mo no ma bi a e ye hintasem ewo mu a ha adwene ha brabo na titi se wonye obi a ye strong a wontimi e fa mo bra o ti ase nti ho asem na ye be kan eti e no live with strong live with confidence and what you say nti na about social media nti na about platform we say no we have to come out and speak for the youth. You have to come out and speak for you know, and you have for mana. Yeah, BPI here free muno. BPI there fata. What do you say? Ewo money free mu BPI here for fata. So who go free here bushama? What do you BPI say you free mu? I don't know a person catch a man paying a neck for say. One name lebi magana for na emra na. A back cover here for na here for. Yes, you have freedom of speech. Yes, you quite back fast so you both say this is our right. What do I say? And just share video no voice about to Legasan. The youth for Kenya Japan. Hey, Kenya Japan and me body din on. And no maybe saying can me Boba Panidio. And no maybe saying a Boba Panidio they can't send Kenya Japan. That is the reason, that is the fact. Call the man, where you're responsible for whatever belongs to him. Kenya Japan is responsible for whatever belongs to him. Eti wono yedene e kan asem yedeno. I mean mama en poso nyom no wa hare ase. Odofo na yen kasa ne fire na ja ne nso. Kenya Japan you responsible mind wo ye nipa bia wo nipa sonko. Esene e bi kura wo sofo wo tie me wo sene wo sofo a wo tena asore dem Kenya Japan. Sana me patch me ye the youth for Kenya Japan. Ti me boka na didi na e ja no nso. Na say ye pese fire what you say nti e tore bia say di ne to wakra because ye body na e di ne jabi ewom no wanti ase share video no boys about what you say Kenya Japan we are responsible for everything eba oman how we are responsible for eba oman no enipa wo ma braba we are responsible eba impo na wo bi amodi twa mpo ase wa wo bebre no we are responsible enuti na ye num bi no yen bi na ye hia for man na ye no you say this man is responsible no ye de ye ho ato no ho so ye de edin ato no ho so se ye be fight ama sa papa no enya mumu bi no amoye kawade a mo tititi wona mo wo na mo wo na mo ma enya papa mo wo amoma ebre mo wo na mo ma ye nam street so mo tie me na Ghana for man so mo tie na mo mama ni na ho ye rum bi no ye bi ato ye be kai hawo eti papa je bara wa ba bontin na wo kasa na police for na soldier for bi na ma bon na munim adwuma you don't know their work munim the human right of the citizens na mo no wo bi se ne papa nie police ni bi head ye me bufu kura se media bi ebe interview ma me na so we police ni o so see head ni o enkura se dwuma bi o ye ho huh we have to speak we have to tell you guys the truth munim adwuma mumu bi no enya nyina e papa no bi no wa so mo si hande maame no ye maame no ma police for no soldier for so mo si hande maame no they know how it is and they know how it works mumu bia police for no soldier for bi munimu papa so de ye ko hwe papa bet na nansu bi ho ye rum bi ye ko hwe ye papa e bi to ye enso wo dia se ade we happen o ma na efiri mu no ma mo tete ho ye ntimi hihye mra bia masa no ma we yet womanim no omana ese wo firi mu a chese na se wo ko firi ohia busam kwa de you are nobody to the people of Ghana you are nobody to your country what I say ye ba social media so ne ba YouTube and they are fire what I say ye nya betina afidie nem dia what I say jare be so somebody say enkofo bi wo manim a wo fa wo ba kra no ne da no anse wo fa wo ba no ene ye wo ma bi wo so a mo ma Ghana for ma na mo sisi no the youth no ena we MP ena we minister ena we sika ena we sikani na mo no makwo na mo de mo mesie na enkura ni nyini wi na be problem ye kura de ye maame no no mo ne ye papa no ti o ena bibi ko ba ye ena no ma bi ko ba na ye maame mo omo ti ye free abusuan no ho ena ye maame mo de ye kwatena ba bi ena ye nyini ye na ye say no we have to go back to our roots what do I say ena ye ti ye say ye kwa root no the same problem na ye mama ye sister papa J ban face no we face the same problem na ejapade binti na enwoma binti na abusia po ba san enwoma na ekoso o man na ewom no hu time ye bi about social media say we have to arise for the youth we have to arise for enyafo ma na mudia ma atwene ni fie na ye den semfo bi di mo na moteto mu fama adwene to fam say no we nya ni ba say me bo me bra say na me so be somebody na me so abusuan receive me na me so abusuan e say no I don't care about me say me tia me fama papa abusuan for ho mu tie me as o mu hwe me they will get to know who is talking they will get to know who is here what do you say me fama ho because when you na woman it doesn't change anything when you ebusuam na mfiri it doesn't change anything to papa J man amo mu nua na amo no mu person be responsible no kamo ne de ye mo a me pese jano be so ne jano so aye papa J ye papa no abon ho modern waso no man Ghana we don't want to fire to go higher ma menchia me nua na ba kefa mo ma mfana to so kra ntem esi na they say afama so chi na ba kefa the social media blogger, only one blogger here in social media. Blogger bakopa wa na atwiri muto. Wo Kenya sasem e ba politics mu a wo Kenya sasem e ba asofofo nsem a wo Kenya sasem wo no wo here ni banti wo follow the steps of here for a life no what you say. Etu wo kasa ma na atwiri muto. Wo kasa wo nyansem, wo kasa wa they say adwirim. Enya mo here for mai bia mo tititi social media ni mu a enkan pa say mo dia mo tie na say mo educate enya forma no even politics mu ye da die no mo educate no still enya forma no you divert you people divert but ya ba say mfa ho ye ko school bi na aka say be ye say Kwame Sefa kan and say be say say NG school NG o kan say NG FM what I say ye nuanum bi omugu o mo ye adwuma Nhyira FM ye enko school ansani abe ye forma no we have to arise and shine what you are saying to yen ba mo atwere mu nya kese na mo atwere mu no dia to papa J ba no example ma all Ghanaian women example ma all the citizens on the youth of Ghana say no what parliament wa wo hwe me say wo kofo ba bia ma wa atwere no enya adwuma na hu se no oba me kofa no me fa me hu nsie oba me kofa no me do no me pe no me ne ko wo a me ne ko wo Muntie hello and what to say o konye sie na onyim sie na akra ne banyini ne ye de akra ne ko ne papa abusuafo ho a abusuafo abepono akwa ne ko ne die man ya bepono monhwe de police ni bi ye na media man and no abegina no we don't want it hey papa bra we are serious there I say as a security personnel obi fight for the family what is your problem obi fight for the officer what is your problem munya some crazy policy ni crazy djuma na security personnel na moya e dia nyuma na moya ni sa no ye no bi na tie kasa na ye we talk into ye kasa into pain when your police attention and na one person for human right go and learn the law of Ghana. Say there is human right in Ghana. Allow the people of Ghana to talk for their rights and stop your nonsense things you people are doing. Hey, you better catch them. And your police following you, a soldier following you. If you don't know your right, if you don't stood for your right, they get to take your human right. Obesity Papa J, watch them. What is your problem for you to push that woman? What is your problem for you to shout that media man? Now media man, say any school about media now. And some of you know, you don't get chance to muka professor say me pese me ko na makasa ma bon na me na man ko free education yeah no tin ya bi no you have to support the president of Ghana, you have to support the Kufuor policies because the Kufuor the president we have today no he's the only person who care for Ghanaians enya mu na mu no kra mu ni man enya mu wi a mu ji wo mu no na mo sa be mu pedi ha kan Japan is a somebody to Ghanaians. Can Japan is a somebody to the family of you know the family of his children and his daughters and you know what has ever from more. Me Johnny so na Papa J da from the be say Johnny be so. Na Papa J baba bontisan papa ni a hwede yankofo bi ye wo yi na se. Abusia bi wo no wo munnim se ye wo do ema moja ye wo do ema kra me a me no tie me say me papa wo me be papa wo me nyini na me papa ye nyini ye ka o ye fele o. Yeah, can't cry natural ferry. Catch us. This is what is happening in the country. This is what is happening in the country. So we got to stood up and we got to na me oba and man na me dimu ya me nyano man me am no tie me kofo obi sa na manyam wo se me mpo me no be twempna me mpo but me no wo kwa de a you cannot hide say me hide me moja so wo mpo oba ne nkonyem kowo yeah ne papa pe ma me papa chire mu chire ye na abusia bone bia papa e ko firi mu na abusia no ye papa sika kakra na wonya abusia na rejected me ma me no ene na ko fa we ba me papa mu no obona no osu I tell you until allow Papa J doctor to fight for his right na mu jade o chere no na me say no na me hu se papa ni a hey what you can't stop me ye crowd ye ni da Papa J bana sem na o kan say wo da no so da ye hu papa no is rare is fat ye hu bi da ye hu bi da what you say wo da no so da ye no o hu papa no o no papa kasa ne ade no e fat enipa bia wo ye honhom no e hwe ni nchi what you say ye bi me ye nya ye da ne hu ye papa ne ye ne papa kasa enu no share so ma ye koe ma me wo ka che say no we have to get up. What you say sorry ni ye ko baby papa no me kasa kire me mame o kokom de na eham so de na fama so kire me ni mame kwotena se kan o tie me mame obi ante ene na me ka kire wo but enya me yasa me ka kire wo ena enya me fere se me ka kire wo me fa ka de ko me tema bonte so ya wo mo tema no wo be je di se me timi ko tema krom ba bi ya wo me no me duru won ma na me wura wo me duru won ma na me gina wo din na me hwe sa fiere me na ya wo me efie na ewu me duru won ma ha nipa bi am se sa wo bi ntu mu ana se wo nya nipa wo che se me duru wa me fili me duru ba bi an papa busuafo wo tema wa na me fili me timi ko kina wonom sa na mu boss nuka no mu yese na makogina na me hwe bi na asama ye pasa na me fili say no not me say boys na sunuka ne yo mu dia no they are the family of my father. What you say na me ko me free time na me ko kumase a na me ko koduru a na me ko me ma me chen bia na me ko da na me so da ye na me kan papa na me ka che ma me hwe me obetie but one social media no nim what you say ha me busa na sa na me busa no kan ko che me say no o papa say ni say me ma me hin tasem bi o ka che me ko me papa ka che me e ya busia no enti abusia fo na mo reject no you got to stood up and stop those things. What you say to me be mama abusia bi kura na ho firi ma ne ye de japade ani pre ne sika ene de hwehwe no ma eni pre ne sika ne de hwehwe no ma o ma bi afim e de eni sika get a fuck with the money e eni sika we yam fa sika ho ye yo hia for ma ye si street a we boy bra se o hia ni ba ye mo ye bra se wo no ena wo no hwe ye boy bra se o hia ni bo ye simba fa cha no ho ye smart Etienya for man na mo no mo bra se mba be somebody e man na mo fiti an ma fa be ma na be ma na chuma bi oye ni sika bi oye na wanyam da bia me hey ka me be oba ho ka me smart se na me be ma no oba me ko fa wonyam na me kan say no e me nyam amenyam me no be twempena I have to me ese me po ho ban na me mpewa me no ho what ya se me no wo dia me pewo me no wo kura na me mpewo kura na wo ba na de me moja o emoja is emoja mami nyama make kablofu bia aso be yes because no no Ghana na ban bia ma ya o me free education Akufo-Addo no ko ma here for me free education you people come out in short Akufo-Addo ti me kasa bia papa yes ni din bam me kasa bia second Japan din bam Akufo-Addo no ne ba bia mfra botin se wa be wo peti o me mani bu ono ma ye hu o ba bia kondo afa ye wo wi a na ye de ni sie because of say identity because of say ye position etimu amugu parliament wono me kasa chem se mo fa papa jede no enya example mo fa papa jede no enya example ye mpese e ba hu se parliamentarian bi wonu oba bi akonyem na waka che se ebi na Tracy Buachi se wan wan wo chimi wono eti ya na me ya Tracy Buachi sa Tracy Buachi na wo de wona wo ye nungu asesam no a watimi de ne ba e be tena social media kontokwa no kontokwa nanso up to now obi hu ne ba papa no wotimi kire ni kunu ane na wo ne ba no a wate wo na wo no ebedu bebi akran manyini na afa no be ese wo be ka che no kokom se oba me papa no wo ti se wo papa no we na nanga enum kwase binti masa sister minua ba manya ho long story kana kura no ne victim ebi na to papa je ba no obi there is no doubt to say we ka say sister no nya papa je ba bu na sa wo if you feel the your spirit will talk to you wo hu ma tumu ni pedia na ka che no oba o ma mi o ntwantro na mi o ntwantro enti sa no ma we koso o ma na efrim no sikanti yetimi pu abusia bi sikanti yetimi pu enipa bi sikanti yetimi pu moja bi ha ejapade hey don't let me fire them what I say etimi sra mo share video no na ya say me dey tembo fun soja ni bi anasa say security personnel say police yo say I don't know so we dey one share uniform say no sibetian media say yen media say dey sa TV no what about sa presenter na no interview ma me no be man what dey be no so what shake the guy was trying to fight for his right but I say campaign one in the juma and a friend coming down but we have to know our right na me share video bi na wo bia media bi screen e was site say kalam say wa bonus screen on fa video now dem twe me camera say me twa wakase me say phone ya what ya huh I don't know maybe a free man nya juma sa we don't respect the citizens of the country and ye bibia ye na as uniform ye na as my as me na me say no some of us we don't buy it and we will not keep quiet and we will fight for our right in yakopanda roma control ya hu se be say fight for your right it we have to tell you people samunya papa je ba no fight for na busia no so minim say the family will accept the woman empa busiafo ni binim no sa me no tie me duru ye abusiafo na nam me firim no ebi we coming but nanso bia na wo no me ma me ka kire me nanso me ko me papa na ka kire me ampa me ko me hunu me nyamo we coming but back no papa ni nua no ene ne yire no bi no ne nua kwa we come back e ma bi agwa ma no problem no the same man no they are the problem. Man try say no asase bi ene ajapade ketwa bi gotta fuck with you asase no ajapade ye bo brade ene asase ha enkwane anwode na hia ene nyansa na yesere fri nyame ho na yebetinya asase ye de wo anya asase no so na do bako wo asase na wo fight no asase na bejo etidi ane mu ha wo ne mu problem osofo bitimi nyim oba bi wasem yosofo biti etime mebo midin minister bitimi nyim oba bi wasem ye minister nti mebo midin eda bitimi nyim oba bi wasem ye eda wasore mebo na oba no so akana no atum wasi mi save no na me de me bana haide mi nua no ma mama ni na ho me ka kire mo san kwase asem no mum yentwam na afete nkura na fight wo so ka chi bi na me nua bai o ma me no o ma me ho no o ma me kasa enka you get it. You can never reject it. But o ma me no want to see what is going on. O ma me no want to see what is going on. Mumhwa de yakoso papa je ba nantem. Mumhwa de yakoso papa je ba ne de no. Watimi atena sia na obo ma me bi din se ma me dokoro ene ese ma me se o yesa nyankopon won fa ho chewo ma me wotimi de obi dibrenti wo se ba wone na wo no on fa ne haide na mo ma mo nyesa o mo celebrate sini bi no mo tie me celebrate sina mo ko set so na mo ko ye ne mo nyenye mo wo siese na mo haide se wo ye MP wo ye minister nti mo ebi batomo na ehia foma na edidie ya mususu betomo se menua ba we ehia ni ba wotimi se we ehia ni ba ya mu ko balance ko we asoja fo me am no tie ya I tell you ye o cadet mu ye timi ko ba bi ye timi so ko ba bi ko ye training na ko ba bi e pe wo ho sa na soja dumate o ba bi e pe wo e kura mu omu asoja fo mu ko ba bi a oba wotimi mi na fo ebire so ya wase na ba bia me kwa me no ba bi kwa kwa nyim o me kuro we me no ba bi kwa wo e na say ade asi adroba fo mo twi track o mo kwa so a wo mo ni ma kwanyem me papa no driver ni enso no me papa no ne me ma mete utie dia hello e na me papa akon 20 otu kwan no ena abusia no eye omu se na ade bia wo ye ade bia opese o ye nti ye na reject ye ena ye reject me maame ena me nyina me kom no so e japade bi nti ye reject ade suban no ade suban wo man e film no o man e film ni brashe so sama ni bra ma je se ti me reject moja o kwa kan bi share video no me se me social media na o me no me be fire bia both politics na mo de dada ye no both life na mo dada and both asofofo na mo dada na ehiafo no ye jimifo a wo ma bi afirima ehiafo de kese we are nobody to anybody ye wo na kofiri ohiabusama na wo busia kwa papa na kofiri sikamu a now they have to reject you. No yeni bank school am fighting it for no more onyeni bank school be lawyer wantimi am me pass law bi a ma ehiafo ansevu mu eno ne o man e free no obi a fight for the own. That is why I get to love Kennedy Japan. Until me pick Kennedy Japan is the best man in Ghana. Kennedy Japan your president ya say na Akufo-Addo no be to na Akufo-Addo so anka munim de Ghana benya enka nsa no ma we nyanka to betwa ka chirawo beto o betena no kasa ya unti no de kasa ya mbuse ya unti ya be kasa ya be keka wajimi a chirawo ba mo fa nchame eyawuti papa ne kasa sa eyawuti oti ase because no ma bi won my heart kene odofo e hagiro mesi papa je e bana asem no sa abusafo na anfa kwa bi so me ehunu de wa kire say agye no say kwa DNA test say ampasa kwa hwehwemu me no kase mesi me kwa me papa abusia mu no hello ye me birth certificate by abusia manyera me busa me mama kire me back to tema na address na me mama wanko school so otimi di mama no me kwai na ba bia me ka che say me kogina ye no me kogina na me feel bibi won na me feel no ba me feel won ma na say confidence bia ba mu na me de bombra me nyam street na me boss shine me nyam street na me ton fabric me da bonten wo dua se me fele se me ka kire wo. That is life. But na me na bonten eni nani na mu a every time ye ba back na ye dan ye so de hu papa dama be ko hu papa what do you say address na me ma me de ma me no se ka ma me ti asanka we nyina si address na ma me so mistake what yes no improve no ma ama no ma abonten ena ese ma me de kro na ena wan na e dia bai wo de mo fa no aponi ni ehia for masa e be wie mu ye ena me call ye address no afa me call address no na menena mu a ene Nyankopon ma do na kohyia papa e wo fasefo me hyia papa wo fasefo me di address ye edin ma me na me call ye me bisa Nyankopon so da wo ma de ba kwesi nsu bia me nyina straight ha even corona me come papa krom me kwasi ba bia papa fie nyankopon na mkasa de ekose na keto ma me na ye ade a it is emotion bi e woni mu no it get to tell you say no this is not something just and yes something just yes something won bi ta chiri eyi no kura pie na mo dia police fo na soldier fo ni bi and am prepare mami and I sit here and I don't go there and yes man no me say afa me call ya na ya bom papa me papa ofa ase ba kodim pese me bondin na tamafo ahunu because wagidin watama me papa na wagidin watama no na mo bia say hey if your father get rich, your father was rich, your father, hey, you forbid your father make mistake, hey. What you say? But nanka you want in China, a casa mistake in one year. Emma, woman as I have on some fool, a man a problem at home. Woman as I rejected, as I said, dear, Emma, Oba, or baby catch a cruiser, or bow a man quachino, and I'll bow in a pono, Emma now. We can't natural. A man with a problem. No, baby, so I will. No, I'm so percent about papa. Now I'm so fight. They say, my man. No, me one can't tell me. A cratching in Japadia. It's a man. So a Busiano, someone, a man bed, say, but the Busiana woman, a man about Richard. I fell out for him to Samson. Me go through me papa Busia for no. And I'm a bomb. Me bomb it, ya. No, would not trust. Baku a musician or whatever, no, I'll choose more Susa. Or Susa, no, mommy. A dada was a son, woman, no, them got tracker muna pa. I see, winning baby. Or mamma dresses and me come papa bush for no first. Cause I'm coming baby and papa. And on me call or mamma dress to a glass so through Tom, I can't me call glass so through. Miss Nyame Chadie kana me friend baby o see me no filling station wo me refi wo see me na me busa na straight me papa fie no me hia Nyankopon you obi am na kire me ho me ko du fie ono ma e fie oso so a me pie ya me papa nua o me entafo na atano ne yema hye no no hwe me afo mo mama konwa me kasa ya behwe na wo bia pie na afedia me se doma eba fie hon e doma eba ha o mo ne me tena se kasa wo mu wura no makoyin krata we no makoyin krata na akoyin me best nso me wo bi enso asa koyin fofra ba ye koyin ba ya zedin na o sene mia ha eti dia mo ya papa je ba no mu nyai na sa no ma we koso afa okay ya chimatum ayampa wunie wo sister we wunia ba ne we oh say oh mani age e wa ne akwati oba ba se me ngwale she sa mistake na mo mo sa de ba ah me ngwale oba hey that be I get to be wisdom afa masa me se bu sam do se be se we ko deep afa e man ben papa nwa na me papa nwa asesa bibi asesa e man ben no hey wa ba je Japan hey wa ba je asase hey wa ba bibi asesa afa ne de no me sie me Mia me nua e na fifi no mom kire me. Me nua ba ko na fifi no mom kire me. O fifi no mom kire na na ma na threat. Enti abusuana Africa na mo ye problem. Mo ye problem abusuafo ne bi no. Enti sa do obi to obi ya na ma etin me nkasa because abusuan e be problem me am na otie. Enipa na so me mu a me kura bi ma hwe me ama manyini. Said ye papa je ba ne ka no. Etie no Nyankopon ne yesren se wo me anya defo ne yesren hwa afoforo ne yesren hwa afrontia ne ye bre nyina ye fasika chidon so mo meti yi mesina na ku for free education be ye twam na fa ye chidon so mfo na nipa num bi brewa brewa Ghana num nipa num bi soso de wo de free education mo 1005 wo mo muru wo ma twena bobrapa abaye somebody te sana na wo eti be se problem wo Ghana eti papa je ba no ye gina na so ye be fight ya fire ye me ye na wie ni afaya se mo gina to se wan disimu se wa mo ni amena receive nua na ye be se wo politics career se wa ko hwehwe mu ye wo so your politician wo the parliament you fighting for Ghanaians now it's about time to fight for your own. It's about time to fight for your own. So fight for your own before we become happy. If not, yeah, for many minutes we get to stood up. and we get to stand for our sister. We get to stand up and stood up for our brothers and sisters in Ghana. That is why TV and yes no me adwene mu do ye school efie de ye beka sama ye nuam efie de ye beka sama hia for man to ye ne ba be join was about TV politics ne be chiro mu Akufo is the best. I tell you. And you politicians they don't care for their family. They had them because of their politics, their position and their politics background. More politics, more background. They had their family, they had their children, and they had the Kenya Paul is the best man. I tell you, what you say? Video in best about what you trust what best about Sabato TV. I'll be sharing. Join more YouTube no Sabato TV. What you say? No subscribe. A new page. Feni BNT. Your subscribers. Ne Janet me fire. Facebook, YouTube. The beer and I'm with you. For man. Mo show when you ba. When you ma me share video no. You better here for once. You better the essay catch them now. So right. If the law of Ghana tell us our right and the people of Ghana, the leaders of Ghana, they don't show us the right and the law of Ghana for us to know our human right here. We get to stand up and tell them that we are learning from someone country and we have to tell them the truth and the fact is the fact. God bless you. Don't subscribe to Sabato TV. What do you say? Sabato TV official. Sabato TV official. Sabato TV na dos no until you the official na account na Benjamin. Sabato TV official. What do you say? Me cham papa Ken Japan, me cha Ghana man panyin na Akufo-Addo, me cham papa John Dramani Mahama. What do you say? President from Bomudin, almost from Boma Ghana because Omaso man. What do you say? Enti ye chia sam panifo ye chia Ghana panyin bia wa parliament ya wonu oba bi wo ba enya ho parliamentarian sem kocho ba. What do you say? Hello. Wow, we are so far one more baby. We are so far and cow the show nicum kocho ba. Wow, you're penny be na one be one more baby, quacho banner say be fire mo. Yeah, me did the penny at but they be fire here different than at the day. They be fire mo hard one. Someone more one and I'm one and I'm yourself for and I'm some agitating and I saw money be just solid. Obviously now. Hello, oh, you know what I chow here. Hey, Mamma me and so down one was woe. What do I say? Me or boys about home. Se muti me wa breja me so no wo ya na e kan se ene jai ene Ghana de ene Ghana bi afiri mu no kan kra na ye to open o kan kra ye tawo o kan kra ye ndo e di o ma ne kra na afiri mu ni petuntuma Ghana ye bia me se kwa me kro di abro ko di abro fo de fra ye mu an ka Ghana will be better ko di abro fo de fra mu an ka Ghana will be the best country for the whole Africa but abro fo you from na high we got to know our human right all these things will not happen. Hey, what do you mean? Sorry, na Sabato TV. Ko subscribe. Sabato TV official. What do you say? What do you say? It's when you are. I the best here. Let that go from. You said in common.